This is Evan. He's 11 months old today. Hi, Evan. Hi. Evan, what did Daddy teach you today? Huh? Did Daddy teach you to do this, Evan? Can you show me? Show Mama. Can you do it? No, with your hand. There you go. Good job. Is that good dinner? Is that good dinner? What? You want to get closer? You want to get closer? Oh, why are you so sad? Wah. Wah. Oh, what'd you find on your head? Did you find chicken on your head? Is that yummy? I love you. Blow Mama kisses.